Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to week 1 of Seek, Gather, Create. And it's hosted by Lisa Goodart, Tina Hozart, and Laura Dennison. And the week 1 prompts were to use a key, navy blue, an insect, and something rusty. So what I did was I used a combination of different things, but I messed up on the background so much that I'll show you some of the basics, but it's going to be a sped up process because I messed up so many times. Used stencils over and over and over and over again that I just gave up. And so this is what we have. So we have us a little key right here with a little some bling. We have the rust on the key, and this is from where I had previously rusted some what do you call that, the chain that you use for jewelry making. And then we have our navy blue, and we also use some navy blue paint in the background of this. And like I said, I messed up a whole lot. I used different a lot of mixed media because I had messed up so much that I tried to cover up my mess ups. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I use. Some Faber-Castell, whatever these watercolor markers are. I can't tell you, I can't pronounce the names of them. So I use blue and then that yellowish color. I use some abstract paint. I used the black and the navy blue. I used some modeling paste, Master's Touch, Bria Reese Glossy Dimension. This is also some modeling paste, glossy accents, and I also used some glitter, which I put it up and I'm not taking it back out. I used some golden raw umber. This is fluid acrylic. And then I used some matte fluid medium by Liquitex Basics acrylic. I used some micro distress glaze by Tim Holtz. I used some distressed grit paste, Tim Holtz. This is Snowfall. I've used distress oxide inks, vintage photo, fossilized amber, some jet black archival ink. I've used a combination of different stencils from Tim Holtz. I'm not sure what the name of that one is, or the name of that one. I know this is Honeycomb by Tim Holtz. And then I'm not real sure. I got this off of eBay from somebody about 5 years ago, and I have no idea who that was. And this is a generic stencil. I might have got it from Temu, I don't know. I used those, and then I also used some PM Artist Studio. You can't see it because all the mixed media that got covered up with it, that you can't even see these keys anymore. But I did use the stencil lock and key mask keys and lock sets of 6 by Paula King. I had used those, and then some of the key stencils that are in here. But yeah, you'll see it as I do it along the way. And then I just use what else? Oh, I also used not butterflies and moths. I used this is my insects. So, and you can't really see it, but it is right here. It's this little bumblebee. I had used that stamp right there. So that was, I have my navy blue, my key, my insect, and my rust. So I did use all the things. So I'm just going to put some music on and put it in fast forward motion, and I was going to go over specifically what I did, but you can kind of look and see some of the things I mixed. Some of the paints I mixed with modeling paste and stencil, and then you'll see as I go along. I'm just gonna put it in fast forward motion because like I said, I messed up so many times, and yeah. So this is my finished. I use crackle paste too, and you probably can't even see the poor little crackle that's on here. Translucent crackle, because like I said, I just went over it so many times with so many different things. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you how I did it.